Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out the brand new mascara from Chanel and this is part of the fall collection. Now I did purchase everything from the fall collection but I will be doing it in a video after this, so check that out so you can see my first impression on all the other products that are in that collection. So this one, like I mentioned, is in the fall collection. It's a brand new mascara and it's the Chanel Noir Allure mascara. You only get one shade and it's number 10 Noir, and I was very intrigued in this when I saw this on the website because it looks very different to any other mascara that they have. The one looks so different, and also it's supposed to have a slight hint of red to it, which I think is so strange because it's a black mascara but then it has a hint of red. I don't really know how that works. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So this mascara was actually the most expensive mascara I've ever purchased. The most expensive mascara on the Chanel website. You can only purchase it from the website or from boutiques. It's not available anywhere else at the moment. So this actually feels pretty heavy for a mascara and it looks so expensive because it was very expensive. This was £37 and I've never spent almost £40 on a mascara before in my life. So this better be good, otherwise I'm going to be super disappointed in this. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it looks so expensive and so sleek. The good thing about this mascara is that you have 6 months to use it. A lot of mascaras have 3 months to use it, and it says that it's supposed to have volume, length, curl, definition. It protects, it lengthens lashes, and apparently it's smudge proof. So we're definitely going to put it to a test about the smudge proof because so many mascaras I've tried out before say that they're smudge proof and they have gone above my eyelid and on my lower lid. So yeah, we will try this out and see how it goes. So the packaging looks so expensive and so sleek, and then when you open it up, this is supposed to be one of those where it's a click start. So you know, like some of their lipsticks that they have where you click it down and then it opens. So this is supposed to be the same. This is literally exactly the same. This looks the same as one of their lipsticks that they have. So you can see it's a Rouge Allure one. You just press the top and then it comes up at the top and then you have your lipstick in there. So I think that is so strange. Like, it's such a different thing. I've never seen that before on a mascara and I just think it is so interesting. Like, I don't understand how they hadn't released something like this before. So you can see they both just pop straight up. But this actually sounds like it's got a spring in it as well. It's very weird, very, very weird. So on the website it says it's an all-in-one mascara, volume, length, curl and definition. It retails for £37 and it says Noir Allure, the new mascara by Chanel that fans out the lashes for a 4-dimensional result. Volume, length, curl and definition. For the first time, the House of Chanel has infused a black mascara with a touch of red to intensify and add depth to the eyes. The new brush also boasts a hint of red. Slim, flexible and elegant, it captures every last lash, creating an optimal fanned out effect. For the first time, the iconic Chanel click mechanism is featured in a mascara design. The click mechanism transforms this mascara into a luxury item enriched with provitamin B5. The formula helps fortify and protect the lashes. 3 naturally derived waxes, including rose wax and beeswax, deliver volume, curl and length. And it does say how to use it. It says to apply, sweep onto lashes from root to tip using a slight zigzag motion. Each stroke of the brush immediately intensifies the makeup look. So I haven't actually seen any reviews on this. There have been a couple of videos that I've seen that have been about, but I haven't actually watched them. I don't know how this is going to go. I don't know if it's going to smudge. I don't know how it's going to look on my eyes. I don't know if it's going to lengthen my eyelashes or anything like that. So I'm really going to be going in with this with a complete first impression. So if you want to see me test out this mascara, then just keep watching. So I've zoomed in so we can test out this mascara and see how it goes and see if it's actually as good as it says it is on the website. So I did notice that when you just press this on here, when you take it up, it is quite tough, but then you have this weird little nodule thing right here, and then the brush, you can see that there's little bits of red in there as well. I'm not sure if you can see this on camera, but you can see that there's little bits of red. And to me, it just looks like a standard mascara wand. So I haven't curled my eyelashes at all. It's what I do with all of my first impressions. So we're really going to see how it goes and really put it to the test. What I'm going to do is do one of my eyes. We're going to put the mascara on there. I'm going to do 3 coats, which is what I do with all of my first impressions. Then I'm also going to do the lower lashes and we'll see what it looks like. So one coat is looking pretty okay. I mean, for a first coat, it's doing pretty good. I can see that my lashes are definitely getting lengthened. They are separating the lashes, but some of them are sticking together a little bit as well. It's not the most amazing mascara that I've tried, but it's looking okay. So we're going to do a second coat and see what it looks like. And this is what 2 coats looks like, and it looks pretty good, to be honest. I feel like it's so weird to work with. I don't know if this is the right word to use, but it feels quite sticky. Like I'm going through my lashes, but then it seems to be sticking together or sticking to the brush. It's so strange. It looks okay. I mean, my eyelashes do look lengthened, but as you can see, they are sticking together on here, and they are sort of going down here. And that's so strange because when I first did it, they were proper sticking up and curled, but now it looks like that these ones are just going down. So I'm going to do a third and final coat and we'll see if we can make this work. But at the moment, I don't know, it's just so strange. It's really, really strange. So we're going to try and do a third coat and see if we can make it look any better. Okay, so this is 3 coats and they definitely are looking lengthened, but they're really sticking together. You can see that it's very clumpy. And again, the lashes were sticking up and then now they've just drooped down. Like they were elevated and now they've just drooped down. This is such a strange mascara. I don't understand this mascara. You can see that they are really clumping together as well. If you can see on here, it's really, really clumping together, so it's not looking good at all. This is such a strange mascara. It's so hard to try and work with. It looks like I haven't got any lashes at all here. And by the third coat, it really was clumping. Even the second coat started to clump, but I don't know. This is looking like a weird mascara. I'm going to try and sort it out, but again, they've literally just fell down here. Like, I don't understand this. It's so strange. Let me just try and work around it, because you can see here that I've made the eyelashes really long. Like, there you go. It looks like I don't really have any lashes. I bet by the time that we do the lower lashes, this side is going to all have fallen down. So I'm going to try and do the lower lashes and see how it looks, because I feel like this might get to every lash on the lower one. Guys, I really don't like this mascara. Look at my upper lashes. They look like spider legs. And this has already drooped down this side. It looks so strange. I don't understand what has happened. But it works very well on my lower lashes. I'm going to have to try and sort this out when I come back. So, this is what it's looking like. Very thick and very clumpy and like spider legs. So, I'm going to go ahead, do the other eye, try and sort this one out, and then come back and give you my final review. So I've finished off the rest of my mascara, and this is what it looks like. And I really have some thoughts about this mascara and sort of what I think about it. So as you could see, when I was applying the first coat, it looked pretty good. Second coat looked good, but it did start to sort of go down a little bit at the side. I don't really know why, because it was lifted and then it went down. And then by the third coat, it was pretty much just like spider legs, so it really didn't look good. But it did go good on my lower lashes, which is a great thing, and it also got to every single lash. So what I have done is I have done my other eye, and it looks so much better on this eye compared to this eye. Like, so much better. Like, it doesn't look like spider legs, but this is such a hard mascara to work with. It is incredibly hard. I had such a hard time while I was using it, and I'm so used to mascaras being quite easy to use and also for them not drying super quickly. Now this mascara dries incredibly quickly, so you have to work very quickly with it. I pretty much waited like 30 seconds if that between coats, and it still started to go gummy on this eye after the second coat. But this eye does look so much better than this one. I think it's just one of those where it's trial and error, because it is a first impression. All mascaras work very differently. You don't know what the formula's like and things like that. So what I did have to do with this eye is, after the third coat and the lower lashes, I did have to go in with an eyelash comb, and I had to go through it and try and even out all the eyelashes, and it still looks like spider legs. But it looks better than it did at first. The strange thing is, it really does sink down on the outside lashes. It's so weird. I don't understand what it does, because it lifts them and then after a couple of minutes they just go down. I don't know if it's one of these mascaras where you have to curl your lashes before you use it, but I don't really curl my lashes anymore when I use mascara, because all the ones that I do use tend to lengthen them and lift them. My Holy Grail one at the moment is the Chanel Le Volume, and then also the Rare Beauty Volumized Mascara. Those two are absolutely amazing. I'm using a Chanel one at the moment because the Rare Beauty one has been used up, but they are so different compared to this mascara. Like, they lengthen my lashes, they add lots of volume, and they curl them. It looks so good. So I don't know, I'm not convinced at the moment. As you can see, I do have a little bit of the mascara underneath my eye and then also on my lids, but that's just because obviously it's a new mascara. I haven't tried it out before, so I don't really know how to work with it, so I always get messy on all of my mascara first impressions. It looks good. This side definitely looks like spider legs. This side looks so much better, but so far, after this first impression, so far I do prefer my other two mascaras that I go to, and I feel like that if you want to get the same look, go for the Tarte Mani mascara. That one is pretty much the same look, only I don't get the clumpiness, but I am going to be wearing this throughout the entire day anyway. I will let you know down below how it goes throughout the day, if it smudges, if it budges, if it flakes, if it makes the curl go down during the day. I'll let you know everything about this down below in the info section, just so you can check it out and see what it looks like. I will also be using this tomorrow when I film my full Chanel video, because I'm going to be trying out all of the products from the collection in there, and I do want to obviously include this mascara in there, so it might be good to get a second day wear out of it, just to see, you know, if it is something that is good, if it's definitely worth the money. But so far I don't think this is worth the money. I think if you want to get a Chanel mascara, go for the Le Volume. This gives the same type of look as the Le Volume Stretch Mascara. I do like the fact that this has vitamins in there and has things that are healthy for your lashes, but so far I don't think it's worth the £37. I don't think it's worth more than the other mascaras that they have. I don't really feel like it's very innovative, to be honest, compared to the other ones, and I can't see any of the red tint that it mentions in it as well. So I don't know if it's such a tiny amount that you can't notice it, but it does something to the lashes, but I can't notice it. But it looks good today. I feel like my lashes look pretty okay, but I don't think it's blown me away. Currently, I don't think it's worth the £37, but I will obviously be trying it out for the rest of the day, and then also tomorrow as well I will be trying it out in another video. If you want to try it out, then go ahead and try it, but if you use the Le Volume and you like that one, or the Le Volume Stretch, you don't really need this mascara, because I feel like that it has pretty much the same type of things as that. I do like the packaging. I feel like that the packaging is pretty cool and pretty different. The one looks very similar to other ones that I've seen, and I don't really feel like it does much to my lashes that other mascaras already do. So it's just one of those where you have to think if you want to purchase it. I wouldn't say go ahead, run out and buy it, but by all means, it's not a terrible mascara. I just don't think it's worth the money that I paid for it. So this is my first impression of the NOIR ALLURE mascara from Chanel. If you've tried out this mascara, and if you like it, if you don't, just comment down below to let me know. And also, if there are any Chanel mascaras you want me to test out, or any that you love, then just comment down below as well. And make sure that you check out my video on the full 2022 collection from Chanel, because that will be up just after this video as well, so you can see what I think about all of the different products, and also an updated review on this mascara as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure to give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.